For years, many shooters believed Remington had become nothing more than a legendary name from the past. After the company's bankruptcy in 2020, countless hunters wondered if the iconic green and yellow brand would ever build rifles worthy of its reputation again. But something has changed. A brand new factory, modern manufacturing equipment, and a completely different approach to quality control have given Remington a second chance. In today's video, we are counting down 5 rifles that prove the comeback is more than just marketing. From affordable hunting rifles to premium precision platforms, we will break down the engineering, real-world performance, and practical strengths of every model so you can decide whether Remington has truly earned your trust again. If you enjoy honest firearm reviews based on real design, performance, and documented history, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Freedom Firearms for more in-depth rifle reviews every week. Number 5. Remington Model 783. Many shooters still think the Model 783 is simply a budget alternative to the legendary Model 700. But that assumption overlooks what this rifle was actually designed to accomplish. Instead of trying to copy its famous sibling at a lower cost, Remington engineered the Model 783 as a completely independent platform aimed at hunters who want dependable accuracy without paying premium prices. It was developed to compete directly with other entry-level bolt-action rifles while keeping manufacturing efficient and performance consistent. One of the most important engineering features is its barrel nut system. Unlike the traditional shoulder-fitted barrel used on the Model 700, the barrel nut allows precise headspace adjustment during assembly. This helps maintain consistent chamber dimensions from one rifle to another, improving overall accuracy while simplifying production. The action uses a closed-top receiver for added rigidity, while the floating bolt head and sliding extractor promote smooth cycling and reliable cartridge feeding. Combined with a pillar-bedded synthetic stock, these features give the rifle a surprisingly solid shooting foundation for its price category. On the range, the Model 783 delivers better performance than many shooters expect. Recoil remains manageable in common hunting calibers, the bolt cycles smoothly after a short break-in period, and the trigger offers a clean enough break for confident hunting shots. The rifle is capable of producing consistent groups that satisfy the needs of most deer and big game hunters without requiring expensive aftermarket upgrades. The biggest compromise is the synthetic stock. While functional, it feels lightweight and somewhat hollow compared to higher-end composite stocks. Under heavy field use, the stock can flex more than premium alternatives, especially when shooting from improvised positions. Even so, for hunters looking for an affordable, reliable, and accurate bolt-action rifle, the Model 783 remains one of the strongest values in Remington's current lineup, and a convincing sign that the company's rebuilding effort is moving in the right direction. Number 4. Remington Model 700 SPS Stainless. The Model 700 SPS Stainless represents far more than another variation of Remington's most famous bolt-action rifle. It is one of the clearest examples of how the company has improved its manufacturing process since relocating production to its new facility in Georgia. While the overall design remains familiar to generations of hunters, the precision behind the machining is what makes this version stand out. Modern CNC equipment and tighter production tolerances have helped restore confidence in a platform that once suffered from inconsistent quality control. The rifle is built around the proven Model 700 action and features a bead-blasted 416 stainless steel barreled action, designed to resist corrosion in harsh weather. Internal fire control components receive protective plating for additional durability, making the rifle well-suited for hunters who spend long days in rain, snow, or humid conditions. The 24-inch barrel on standard chamberings provides excellent velocity while maintaining balanced handling, and the synthetic stock includes textured grip panels that offer a secure hold even with wet hands. At the range, the SPS Stainless delivers the smooth bolt operation and dependable accuracy that made the Model 700 famous. The action cycles confidently, the trigger provides a predictable break, and the rifle maintains consistent performance with a wide variety of factory hunting ammunition. Whether shooting from a blind, a tree stand, or an improvised field position, It inspires confidence for the single shot that matters most during hunting season. Its biggest limitation comes from the stock design. Unlike many premium bolt-action rifles, the barrel is not fully free-floated, allowing occasional contact between the barrel and stock under certain conditions. While most hunters will never notice this during normal field use, precision shooters chasing the smallest possible groups may eventually consider upgrading the stock. Even with that compromise, the Model 700 SPS stainless remains an excellent all-weather hunting rifle and strong evidence that today's Remington is producing rifles with a level of consistency that many shooters thought was gone for good. Number 3. Remington Model 700 Magpul Enhanced. The Model 700 Magpul Enhanced marks a major shift in Remington's philosophy. Instead of focusing solely on traditional hunting rifles, this model was designed for shooters who demand greater versatility, faster reloads, and improved ergonomics. Built around the proven Model 700 action, it combines decades of bolt-action reliability with modern features inspired by today's precision rifle competition scene. The result is a rifle that feels equally comfortable on the range as it does in practical long-distance shooting applications. The most significant engineering change is the detachable magazine system. Rather than using the traditional internal magazine and hinged floor plate, the Magpul Enhanced accepts HX pattern magazines, allowing much faster reloads and greater flexibility for competitive shooters. The rifle also features a heavy contour barrel with 5R rifling, a design known for reducing bullet deformation and maintaining excellent accuracy during extended shooting sessions. An aluminum V bedding block provides a rigid interface between the action and the stock, eliminating the need for traditional glass bedding while helping maintain consistent zero over time. On the firing line, the rifle feels exceptionally stable. The additional weight helps reduce felt recoil, allowing shooters to spot impacts and make rapid follow-up shots with greater confidence. The adjustable Magpul stock lets users fine-tune both length of pull and cheek height, making it easier to achieve a consistent shooting position whether using a traditional scope or modern high-mounted optics. These features give the rifle an advantage during long practice sessions where comfort and repeatability become just as important as raw accuracy. Its primary drawback is that some controls require familiarity. The magazine release is less intuitive than those found on many modern precision rifles, and new users may need time to develop smooth reloads under pressure. However, for shooters looking to bridge the gap between a hunting rifle and a competition-ready precision platform, the Model 700 Magpul Enhanced offers an impressive combination of accuracy, adaptability, and proven reliability, making it one of the most versatile rifles in Remington's current lineup. Number 2. Remington Model 700 Long Range. The Model 700 Long Range was built with one goal in mind: delivering exceptional accuracy at distances where consistency matters more than lightweight handling. While many hunting rifles are designed to be carried comfortably through rough terrain, this rifle takes the opposite approach by embracing additional weight to improve stability and recoil control. It is aimed at long-range hunters, precision shooters, and anyone who values repeatable performance over maximum portability. At the heart of the rifle is the proven Model 700 action, paired with a heavy contour barrel that is available in several popular long-range chamberings. One of its most important engineering features is the full-length aluminum bedding block integrated into the stock. This rigid foundation minimizes movement between the action and the stock, helping maintain a consistent point of impact even after extended shooting sessions or changing weather conditions. Combined with the heavy barrel profile, the system provides excellent heat management and outstanding mechanical consistency when firing multiple rounds. On the range, the Model 700 Long Range feels remarkably stable. Its additional weight absorbs recoil effectively, allowing shooters to stay on target and observe bullet impact through the scope with greater ease. The smooth bolt operation, predictable trigger break, and solid shooting position make it well suited for precision work from a bench, bipod, or stationary hunting blind. With quality factory match ammunition, the rifle is fully capable of producing the level of accuracy that serious long-range shooters expect from a dedicated precision platform. The biggest compromise is mobility. At roughly 9 pounds before adding optics and accessories, the rifle becomes noticeably heavier than a traditional hunting setup. Carrying it across steep mountains or deep backcountry trails can quickly become tiring. However, for shooters who spend more time behind the trigger than hiking with the rifle on their shoulder, the extra weight becomes a clear advantage rather than a drawback. The Model 700 long range proves that when precision is the priority, stability often matters more than speed, making it one of the strongest long-range rifles in Remington's modern lineup. Number 1. Remington Alpha 1 Hunter. The Alpha 1 Hunter is more than just another bolt-action rifle. It represents Remington's strongest statement since the company's restructuring, showing that the brand is ready to compete in the premium hunting rifle market once again. Rather than relying on decades of history, the Alpha 1 was designed to deliver the kind of refinement and precision that modern hunters expect from rifles, often found in custom gun shops. It combines proven Remington heritage with meaningful engineering upgrades that set it apart from every previous factory Model 700. One of the most significant improvements is the relocation of the bolt release from inside the trigger guard to the left rear of the receiver. This simple change makes bolt removal faster and more intuitive while improving overall handling. The rifle also features a toolless firing pin assembly for easier maintenance, an enlarged ejection port to accommodate longer cartridges, and a heavy-duty Picatinny rail secured with stronger 840 screws. An AG Composites carbon fiber stock provides an excellent balance of rigidity and lightweight performance, while the factory-installed Timney Elite Hunter trigger delivers a crisp and predictable break that inspires confidence on every shot. On the range, the Alpha 1 Hunter immediately feels like a premium rifle. The action cycles smoothly, the trigger promotes excellent shot control, and the rifle consistently delivers outstanding accuracy with quality hunting ammunition. Its balanced weight makes it comfortable to carry in the field without sacrificing stability when shooting from supported positions. Every component works together to create a rifle that feels refined rather than simply upgraded. Like any new platform, it is not entirely without flaws. Some early production rifles experienced a stiff bolt lift and occasional extraction issues under extremely cold conditions due to tight manufacturing tolerances. Fortunately, these concerns affected only limited early production examples and do not overshadow the rifle's overall performance. For hunters seeking a lightweight, highly accurate factory rifle with premium features and modern engineering, the Alpha 1 Hunter stands as the clearest proof that Remington's comeback is not just a promise, but a reality. That wraps up our list of the 5 Remington rifles proving the company's comeback is real in 2026. Now we would love to hear from you. Which rifle on this list would you trust for your next hunting trip? And do you believe Remington has truly earned its place among today's top rifle manufacturers again? If you have owned one of these rifles, share your experience in the comments, because your feedback helps other shooters make better decisions. Thank you for spending your time with Freedom Firearms. Your support, your comments, and every subscription help us continue creating honest, research-based firearm reviews without the marketing hype. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next in-depth review. We have many more rifle rankings, shotgun comparisons, and optics guides coming soon. Until next time, stay safe, shoot responsibly, and we will see you in the next video.